And greetings from Jerusalem. I hope you're curious or interested in my new seminar called Repairing the Breach, the Untold Story. Let's ask a few more questions. Why am I not experiencing all of the blessings that Yeshua has promised? And why isn't my church or my congregation moving in the fullness of his power and authority? And why are we not seeing the fruit equal to our efforts? We have been building on the foundation of the Hebrew prophets and the apostles, but I contend there's a breach that started as a gap in the first century but has continued for 2,000 years. And it's why we are not the one that the Hebrew prophets foretold, or that Jesus prayed and died for, and that Paul finally named the one new man. The one new man made up of Jewish and Gentiles who have been redeemed by God's grace through their faith in Yeshua. Call it the church, the called out ones, the redeemed, the kehilot. Friends, I contend that it's a breach that started as a gap in the first century that is keeping us from being the manifold witness of the mystery of God. It's that breach that is holding us back, and it's that breach which is breaking the heart of God. But praise God, we have been called to be repairers of the breach. But we can't begin to repair the breach unless we understand where it came from, how it's gone through the years, and how it's affecting us today. That's what the seminar is designed to do, and to also answer some more questions. Questions like these. Why are some pastors and leaders beginning to question fundamental Bible interpretation? Why is there so much angst between the Jews and the church, which is keeping them from hearing the gospel, which we're so passionately wanting to explain to them? Why is there such confusion between Jewish and Gentile believers about their identity? And what about this Jewish roots movement? In the next video, Unanswered Questions Part 3, we will hear the testimonies of people who have been to the seminars, including pastors and elders and Bible teachers, both Jewish and Gentile. So, if you'd like some more information or to book a seminar, go to my website, www.novea.org, and click the button that says Seminars. You can also contact me through the website, and I'd love to hear from you. And with that, I say, Lehitraot, Shalom from Jerusalem.